All right, we showed y'all some 20 earlier. We're gonna change it up to the 12. This is some custom ammo for 12 gauge. This one is ball and chain. And like I said earlier in the other video, instead of using like necklace chain that breaks all apart, we use steel leader. Now in the other video with the 20 gauge, it hit, you could see where the chain wrapped, but the steel leader, the lead leader tore off the end of it. So it worked, but it didn't work. All right, this one is like a souped up buckshot. This is a little bit bigger than normal buckshot. It's actually some split shot. This one is, I had some little hasp left over from the steel fishing leader, and I just took some of the split shot and crimped on it, and it's full of small split shot and large split shot, and they just stacked all in there. All right, first we're gonna go with the split shot. And now this is in 12 gauge.
Fire and hole.
I'm gonna aim low to the center. Good night. Alright. This is the buckshot.
Fire and hole.
Dead center. Ooh. Alright, this is our ball and chain. Kind of hard to see a good clear spot up there.
Left upper.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the left lower. Right lower. And that little clear spot right there, that way. See a good wrap.
Fire and hole.
Good night. Now that one held together. That one didn't come apart like the 20 gauge did.
Well, one of them went through. One of them didn't.
That's where the steel shot went through. That's where the ball and chain went through. The rest of it was some split shot.
That must go with these two. This one goes through with this one.